Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In this YouTube channel, you will get an information related to computer and mobile technology. Therefore, you have to subscribe this channel and attend the videos that are presented in this channel. And this YouTube channel is said to be ETO Technology YouTube channel. Okay, in this video, you will get around 25 questions with answer. So please attend my video till the end of this video. Okay, let us go to the first question. The first question is question number 1. Here is question number 1. Zip files are blank. A. Compressed files, B. Fragmented files, C. Deleted files, D. Saved files. The answer is choice A. These zip files are called compressed files. The next question. Question number 2. Here is question number 2. Properly arranged data is called A. File, B. Field, C. Words, D. Information. Properly arranged data is called choice D is the answer. That is, properly arranged data is called information. Go to the next question. Which of the following tools is used to increase or decrease the view size of objects? A. Zoom, B. Select, C. Rotate, D. None of the above. The answer for this question is choice A. This zoom is used to increase or decrease the view size of an object. The next question is question number 4. Here it is. Internet is a system of blank. A. Website, B. Web page, C. Software, D. Interconnected networks. Choice D is answer. Internet is a system of interconnected networks. Interconnected networks. Let me go to question number 5. Here are question number 5. Here is question number 5. How many parts are there in CPU? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The answer is C. There are 3 parts in a CPU. Question number 6. Which part of the CPU performs all mathematical operations? Which part of the CPU performs all mathematical operations? A. CPU, B. ALU, C. Memory, D. Register. Choice B is the answer. That means ALU, or Arithmetic Logic Unit. It is a part of CPU which performs all mathematical operations. The next question, question number 7. Ctrl plus X is used for A. Cut, B. Copy, C. Paste, D. Delete. Choice D is the answer. That means delete. Ctrl plus X is used for deleting file. Okay. Question number 8. What is the use of Ctrl plus Y? A. For redo, B. For undo, C. For copy, D. For delete. The answer is choice A. For redo. Ctrl plus Y is for redo. Question number 9. What is the use of Ctrl plus Z? A for redo, B for undo, C for copy, D for delete. Choice B is the answer for undo. Ctrl plus Z is for undo. Question number 10. Here is question number 10. The computer size was very large in blank. A first generation, B second generation, C third generation, D fourth generation. The answer is choice A. The computer size was very large in the first generation. As the generation increases, the size decreases. Okay, that means the first generation is greater than the second, and the second generation is greater than the third generation, and the fourth generation is the smaller one. Question number 11. Here is question number 11. The chief component of first generation computer was A. transistors, B. vacuum tubes, C. integrated circuits, D. none of these. The answer is B. Choice B is the answer. That means vacuum tubes. These are the chief component of first generation computer. Let us go to question number 12. Here is question number 12. It's about mobile phone. In a mobile phone, SIM stands for A. subscriber internet module, B. subscriber identity module, C. subscriber internet module, D. subscriber identity memory. The answer is choice B. Choice B is the answer. That means SIM stands for subscriber identity module. Question number 13. The processing speed of the first generation computer was A. milliseconds, B. microseconds, C. nanoseconds, D. picoseconds. The answer is A. milliseconds. Millisecond is larger than microsecond, nanosecond, and picosecond. So millisecond is the processing speed of the first generation computer. That's it. That means its speed is smaller. Question number 14. Here is question number 14. Which one of the following program compresses large files into smaller files? A. WinZip, B. WinShrink, C. WinReduce, D. WinCompress. The answer is choice A. WinZip is used to compress large files into smaller files. Let us go to question number 15. Which model loads the minimum set of drivers when starting Windows? A. safe mode, B. normal mode, C. network support mode, D. VGA mode. The answer is choice A. Safe mode. It is the minimum set of drivers when starting Windows. Here is question number 16. In MS Word, arrow keys can be used to A. delete text, B. save the document, C. move the cursor while deleting text, D. move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. The answer is choice D. Move the cursor. The arrows keys are used to move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. Question number 17. Which country has the highest number of internet users? A. USA, B. India, C. China, D. Russia. The answer is choice C. China has the highest number of internet users. Question number 18. Fortran is called blank. A. file translator, B. floppy translator, C. format translator, D. formula translator. The answer is choice D. choice D. That means formula translator. Fortran means formula translator. Question number 19. A network topology in which all data pass through a central computer is A. bus topology, B. star topology, C. ring topology, D. mesh topology. Choice B is the answer. Star topology is a network topology in which all data pass through central computer. Question number 20. A device that converts a digital signal into an analog signal is called A. an emulator, B. a modem, C. a packet, D. an IC. The answer is choice B, a modem. This modem converts a digital signal into an analog signal. Question number 21. Here is question number 21. Which device is used in network layer in the following list of devices? A. switch, B. router, C. repeaters, D. application gateway. Choice B is the answer. Router. It is used in network layer. Question number 22. Which keys are used either alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions? A. function, B. control, C. arrow, D. spacebar. Choice B is the answer. This control keys are used either alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. Question number 23. Here is question number 23. Which of the following should be used when you want to add slides to an existing presentation? A. file new, B. insert new slide, C. file add a new slide, D. file open. The answer is choice B. Insert and new slides are used to add slides to our presentation. Question number 24. Shortcut key is used to create a new folder is blank. A shortcut key used to create a new folder is A. Ctrl plus N, B. Shift plus N, C. Ctrl plus Alt plus N, D. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Choice C is the answer. Ctrl plus Alt plus N is used to create a new folder. Question number 25. The last question. The first bar of MS Word is blank. A. title bar, B. menu bar, C. status bar, D. standard toolbar. The answer is choice A. Title bar is the first bar of MS Word. Okay, this is the last question in this video. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. That means the ETU Technology YouTube channel, so that you will get another videos consequently. Okay, therefore you can give a comment and share my videos. This is the last. Bye bye.